again. Please date me. Well, you liked my pool party before. Wait, no, you dumped me. Oh. My mom's missing. I don't know what to do. Wait, I can do whatever I want to do now. Jumping on the bed. I'm jumping on the bed. Jumping on the bed. My mom usually wouldn't let me eat her gooey stuff. I'm in trouble now. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Life in plastic. It's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me anywhere.